Yes, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to convert column to rows in Informatica using Normalizer Transformation. So this is the video lecture 46 of this Informatica class series. So let's see how to do that. Convert column to rows. So this is the input record. So this is the input record. And here after performing the normalizer transformation, we need to get the output like this. So this here you can see this is the column, and here you can see this converted into the rows. So column that converted into the rows with the help of normalizer transformation. So let's see how to do that. Create new mapping m underscore normalizer underscore transformation. So name should be meaningful. So there I'm going to use here customer file. So this come from file. If you want to see the record, let's go on this preview, and here let's click on this triple dot, and this here files, and this is the customer. Now let's click on this open. So here you can see numbers of rows are 2 and numbers of columns are 4. So this all. Now thereafter the next is let's take the normalizer transformation. And here if you select this all or column, so here you cannot see there is any input port. So if I drag there, it's not working. So what we need to do, double click on this normalizer transformation, and there or you need to go on this normalizer tab, then go on this click or there. So by clicking this you can add the column. So first is here for name. So let's give here name, and this should be a string tab, and here the next is for loan amount. So loan amount, this all values home loan, car loan, credit loan, this all value that go inside the loan amount. So that this should be here number, and here let's give a string and increase the precision, and here this occur only one time. So giving the value 1, and loan amount that here occur 3 times. So that giving 3. And after that, if I go on this port, here you can see this generated. So name, and here or this all that's generated. Here generated GK and GC ID. So generate column ID. And now let's click on this apply OK. So there you can see this that's come there. So here name, that's drag their name, and this threes home loan, car loan, credit card loan, this go to the loan amount, and this here you can see decimal, and here a string. So after that this here, so after that let's take their one target. So target giving this all, and here this. So let's select this here, Control S to save. And now let's go on this workflow manager and creating one new session. So this here normalizer transformation, and let's go on this mapping. So we need to specify the file location. So this here we need to specify the file location. So file is in desktop. This here flat file is there. And there let's give. So this is CSV tab and row table. So this we need to give here the file there I want to create. So file I want to create or there on this or desktop I want to create the file. So this file that's created there, and the next is let's add their header, output field name. Now apply, and if you want then you can see this is the property. So I did not change anything, reset or restart, just Or this was simple example where I want to display what is the purpose of this normalizer transformation. Let's click on this start task. So now you can see this succeeded, and here you can see there are two that's rows that's come from the source, and after applying the normalizer transformation, this is now 6. So if I go on this file, the file that's created on this desktop, this is the file. So here you can see name that's come there, loan amount that's come there, or this, and loan tab, this all other also come there. The value GCD ID GK, this value that's come there, and here 123 of this call 5. So call 5 here, call 5 GCD ID loan value is there. So we need to use this GC ID. This generated the value 123 in the repeated order. And other is next is here this GK loan amount. This is big int, and this here generating the value 123 4 5 6 like sequence number. Okay, so that the next is here. Let's do some little changes. So making this meaningful. So I want to display the output like this format. So first is here name, the next is loan amount and the loan tab. So loan tab is here a string tab. So that let's use there one expression transformation. So expression transformation, and there we need to this name, and here loan amount, and we need this one. This is required, this is not required. And the next is, let's click on this expression transformation. Let's go on this port. So here we need to add one new port. So this should be a string. Let's increase the precision. And here this is loan amount, and the next is give here loan tab. Loan tab, and this should be output port there. So here we need to write their decode function. So let's write their decode, and here the value true, making that true. So first is let's go on this port. Here you can see GCD ID loan amount. Let's double click there, and if the value, it has value 123, I already saw you. So if the value is 1, then there that print home loan. And GCD ID 2. So if the value is 2, then this for car loan. Separate by comma. One more GCD ID. If the value is 3, then here credit card loan. So if the value is 3, then credit card loan. Now after that, separate, close by the bracket. So after giving this, you need to click on this validate button. So here you can see expression passed successfully. Let's click on this OK. So now here you can see one new column that's created, loan tab, and here this is a string, and this here expression that I have written there. So after that, the next is this is expression. Okay, 1 second. This all is there. Now let's take this, select this all, and dragging there. So one more thing, GCD is not required, so that here, if you want, then you can make that input port only. So this is used when we are using inside the loan tab expression. So the next is, let's select this all and drag inside there. Not there. This loan tab should keep on this loan tab. Now let's save that, and thereafter Let's go on site workflow manager and refresh the session. Now let's click on this start task. So this run 26 and now here you can see. So let's close this and now again open the row tab. So this time name that's come there. This is loan amount and here loan type is now home loan, car loan, credit card loan. So same that's repeated on 3 times because it has home loan, car loan. This all values is there and now Mike that's repeated on this 3 times and there here you can salary and this here the type of loan.